Divine says, yes, Madam Kate, I concur. God bless you. So Madam Kate is going to be ringing the bell tonight. We are officially starting. Yes. Kate is the one ringing the bell. There is nobody should try come out and talk about this. Is official. Like, this is like 100% official. This is legit. This is legit. Like, we have received permission from commenters and viewers here. So we are kicking it off tonight and we are watching.
Baga, baga, baga. Where is my bed? Let me go and carry my bed, Charlie. Not be the one way we have been do so. Where is my bed? Wash me. Baga, baga, baga. Make una tell una dey make it come oh. Baga, baga, baga. Waga de oh, good news Irene oh. Baga, baga, baga. The storm is over. The storm is over now. We can see the sunshine. The sun is almost shining. I carry the handwriting. Hey, Kate, you don't jump enter live because I'll work tomorrow. I not go on a tie tomorrow. I'll work tomorrow. They don't give you work. Hey, me radio. Baga, baga, baga. The storm is almost over. What a great start. On the 1st of October, Nigeria got an independent. And right now, we are about to get an independent from the social media. Baga, baga, not normal. 1st of October, Nigeria got an independent. Tomorrow is 1st of October. Tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, 1st of October, we are going to be getting an independent of this quarreling. Baga, baga, baga. Blessing Joy is on live video on YouTube. And you guys know now. Me no, you a fake account. If I want write, I dey write. I write and there. My car, nothing they do me. Even for Facebook. If I visit anybody and I want to write, I write with my real account. Unless I don't want to write. If I don't want to write, I will not write. You know, let blessing feel. I want to go sleep. I'll work tomorrow. And I'll do my prayer. I'll start my prayer very soon. I'll work tomorrow. If blessing go finish today around 10 or 10. Isha, I'm not even moving on that for me. Alright. I know I may come house. Come meet me, say I did live with you.
Okay,
So
so I want to thank all of you. Well, you guys didn't ask.
I'm going to use English today, in as much that my English is not that too perfect, but we are going to try. There is announcement. Share the video. Announcement. Let me share myself first. Everybody need to hear. No excuse. Blessing Joy, thank you. And I got to leave.
I'm just going to thank everyone for being here.
Thank you too.
Thank you for your likes. Whether those likes went up or they went down, they still count. They still matter. They give me an impression of what you guys think.
Thank you, Blessing. Let me share myself. There is no excuse. He don't bless, he don't finish. He don't put the rest on my hand. Share the video. Bang, 1st of October. Last, Lolo and Monica, they don't agree, say they want to do relay. Last, Lolo and Monica, they don't agree, say they want to do something where go solve problem for social media. Baga, last, Lolo and Monica don't accept to concur. I go concur. And I go concur. I'm telling you the truth, though. I'm not lying, Chuku. Lolo and Monica. Baga, they don't really tell us, say they are ready to succor. Lolo no agree. No, now she talk am o. She was the one that said it with her mouth. Now Lolo suggest that talk. Now Lolo talk am. Then Monica Onina do to boy, Monica come seal am up. Monica say I chest her, no problem. Bagam, I'm ringing the bell. Last, everybody don't get peace. So people, we are about to get our peace. Now Lolo suggest and give Monica. Lolo say, Monica the Atuari, I dare you to stop talking about me on social media. I dare you to stop calling my name on social media. Let us count it. Who will get the highest view? Make una tell Monica. Now Lolo the talks now. He say make una tell Monica. Make he not call my name again for a live video, whether he go get view. Then she, Lolo, not go still call his name for live video. Make them see who go get view. Say, now the people will not get higher view. Now that one win the case. He said because Monica, they use the topic, they chop for her side. Monica na wokan brusni. Ye na we no mbanunu makawa. Na Lolo they use my matter they chop for the side. If Lolo not talking matter, Lolo not the rest. He not they see money to take chop. Now Lolo say na lie. What are you not talking? You are lying. Na my name. Now you take the chop. Now they come they argue the matter. They come for how many years? Mona share the video near do atamu wakba. Then now Lolo come by herself, do herself, enter live video. Now she come talk and say, as from now, make somebody come and make them come do vote put. Make them tell that one, make that one stop. If she go stop, now I'm blessing. You just come ask that one, say, look at what your friend before say. Oh, your friend say you not go fit stop, you not talk about am for your live video because now you matter you take the chop. If you go fit, make una two do am for 2 weeks. Ne do tie uzoleva. Make una two do am for 2 weeks. Make this one not talking matter. Make the other one not talking matter. Make them see who get the highest view. The highest view wins the. Now he go win the matter. Now that highest view be the person where they talk truth. And all of una know social media take days since then. So right now, we go know who be PDP and APC. Oh. If you know, say you are a PDP, go and wear your voting shirt. Oh. We will be say, now we they count the view, now we they ring the bell. We not be any party. We are not in any party. We are counting and ringing the bell. Mana, oh yeah, suma, why are we not? I mean, this is not a joking matter. Oh. The storm is going to end. Hey, this is not, share the video, guys. This one not be said they go say I not here. No. Every mala with the kento now. If you know say na Lolo you love, it is time for you to sit yourself. GPC. GPC. Ona meheya ete kiano konko wagele gwalo. Te Monica wagminana o. Ona meheya organic ya organic no ni ma awa anasi na ni ma only dey bias na organic ogba o mi ni kata no organic eliki ete eliki ba wa hin o tu wa ba ma re tori oyo wa hin o ma re ta boliki wa hin o e ba ma ete organic wa hin o. Now we want to know who is who now. The GPC is about to going. GPC and organic. GPC and organic farm is about to embark on a journey. Ugbade kind of okajo. No. Thank God, say Sarah not there again. Well, me when nani ate wa we mu your time on abo. Say that we will live video. Hey, UPC, una not going win na Marok Dagiro. Share the video. Fire don't no fire not the enter anywhere. Now we are going to know both of them as concur. I go concur. I go succor. my fear, I don't see that video before. Waiting, I come dey talk, I say Monica no go agree. When Lolo do that video, up GPC, wagi gwale kiano koko, bere mwagwala wana. Up uwa mana giju wa ngele modo egogo na yave beju wa hu. Azan is azan. Memenye no hiwo wa ye wa mwene neri ndi ayomobo. Organic 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 hey magele to hino mawa ya wa uwa ye Bobrisky whether na be like Bobrisky where they do advert where go they buy sumo cream for area market they rob we can't get body odo e ba ma e tu wa gele wi ya o e ba ma e tu wa wi ya o bouquet Omo na share this video. My first share myself. Anyway, Tana. My first share. No, tami no ma. No, tami no ma. No. Iye kita na gege sun ma ya ajona. Isalo buame. Oh, serio. The thing will come make hands with me. 1st of October, Nigeria have an independence. And the same 1st of October, there is something unique about these two people. Hama Santara. Something is unique about them. 1st of October, when Nigeria take independence, now still the same 1st of October, now the Amata one start to the count. Blessing, don't walk, don't start to winna don't back. Blessing, don't shell oh. I don't they ring the bell oh blessing. The bell is ringing again. Started from 12 o'clock midnight. Hey, 1st of October we start from 12 o'clock. Tomorrow morning we are green. White, which color be Monica favorite? Which color be Lolo favorite? Mona they tell their favorite color because tomorrow we need to put on the 4 color because Nigeria now 3 people they rule Nigeria. Nigeria is being ruled by Buhari Muhammadu, and Nigeria is being ruled by Monica Atuari Abrus, and Nigeria is being ruled by Lolo Alaribe alias Abari Abribayo Vena where we were. So Nigeria is now ruled by 3 people. We need to know the type of color that one of them their favorite color. Good evening, good evening. Here when it we they say make I come announce now. Lolo do video. He can't talk say oh nika shake be many as the hot. He's a low boy me where me nani amuji ma be blessing bo. Blessing, you will be doing your counting. I will still be doing the ringing of the bell. Amarine, Jobomaje. Amavi, we na do tie bonia. Wabere any of my loving yase. Na first share myself figuring. Abere any of my we me yase ni o. Jobomaje o. Let me share. Let me share myself first. Share the video. No matter what you know here. Oh, who's can you yet be that? They not they do anything. That kind of person, all of us, have you yaga ibano amwe bogbo mani. Na be say now na kosa make trouble not finish. They are two done by themselves. Talk with you want make trouble finish. You can't they say no. War minia. Good evening, my lovely. Good evening. I went to Wamatu me Korean me. The storm is almost over. Hey. Awu Wamatu me so far ni mahiawa ago. Owa be mi gbe ma loro so far na make si dagbe. So my people share the video. There are more news story to hey. Share 3 share na una tutu like and this evening I talk and say this saga of 18 e dey give una money. E dey give una something. E be like say I know now come out come do that video this evening. I dey talk and people go dey look me say what time I know wa we have any na. E take back on the best man clean ever signal hello. We and I never knew that blessing is even doing your own. Hey bye. Oh come. Bang started from 12 o'clock midnight. Share the video. May anybody not say they not here. Read the caption and fall inside and share the video first. Hey. Bang not I mean normal who here. Go tell who not here. You way hear the matter. Go tell who not here. Oh. Go tell who not here. Everybody come out and share this video. Share. Still open your live video and announce it. Nothing is too small, nothing is too big. We are not begging for money now. We are begging for people that we... You people should assist me. You people need to assist me because this work that they just put in my hand now, Blessing will be doing the counting. I will still be tagging Blessing son. Please, my dearest mommy, yo, Agnes, Teresa, Nelly Black, all of them. Make una help me. I know that you guys are working class mama. I twirl for now. I know say my own work. Sometimes I know they fit. Me, they don't go there Instagram. They don't dey Instagram. Me not data. Me I go tag Blessing. Make una dey tag Blessing. The counting need to be count well. What doing is what doing well. Happier. What doing is what doing well. No, now I'm not the insult here. One on is off phone. I don't want to make the trouble finish. I be mona only for share. When I why now since no, beg man, it's a problem here social media. Now I've seen it to see people where they cause problem for social media. Hey, now I've seen the people that is causing the catastrophe. Share to your page, share to your share to where. Let me share. Please share the video for me. Share and let people hear. It started from tomorrow. Starting from tomorrow. Share to the WhatsApp. Share to everywhere. Okay, I don't share. I don't try share myself, Abby. Okay, it's showing. I have share. Good evening, mommy. Good evening. I wait to Wamatu and Sofane who are make una share the video for more. Kate, ODL Kate Show, our daily life. I am here to announce to everybody that Lolo and Monica have come in an agreement that they are ready to let this issue go by. Hey, Baba. Hey, Mogwazonana. Leave on. Pretty flavor. Leave on. Leave to be John May follow up. If you not follow us, I go take the update. Mona not the talk that one. If you not follow, I go take the update. I go take know what they happen. Mona not they insult anybody. Blessing did the video on our YouTube this evening. According to the way Blessing is always analyzing her video, she was analyzing Monica and Lolo this evening on her YouTube channel. And then she brought out a video that Lolo did. And in this video, Lolo was the one that demanded for this raise. She demanded for the raise. Lolo was the one that say it out from her mouth. That which state say, okay, according to you now, we no one know, but Lolo did the video and Blessing blocked the video this evening, and she demand by herself now, and she dey do herself now, say without her video wey be Lolo, without her Lolo, Monica no go get follow her. She say if people think say na lie, for those that are just tuning in, please share this video for me, okay? If you are an Agbo, Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, wherever, Shekiri, Isha or something, I'm going to try my best to use Pidgin English, okay? A lot of you know the chaos we have been having since 2020. A lot of you know the problem that we have been having since 2020 between two best friends, two best presenter friends, paddy. Then the friendship went wrong, and both of them did not agree to go their various way. In as much that we know, say one be agree to go away. I'm not going to bias here. In a certain time of period, Monica was doing her own. Even the dead people even sing. I'm not trying to join her. And no, Mona, not your reason me. Mona, not reason me. I'm not trying to join her. Now see my baptizing this thing where they baptizing. Even kolo kuina we baptizing weze. I beg your river. Mona, not reason my matter. Now the two I carry. So, in as much that Monica be try to dey do her topic with your husband sometimes or come preach Bible, but una know say our lolo that one today go come and say I don't rest. I will not talk about it again. Tomorrow you go end up he don dey talk. The thing don dey do us like anytime when she take us say I not go talk am again, we go just take am like erukataji, no problem. But until she come by herself now, can't do herself say agbadavu no talk am. She for real at a time Monica was doing her own, she not come dey mind, but e get where you see push weze where kineken oidin, you understand? And our lolo now, she come dey talk and say she go rest. Tomorrow she go still carry the topic come again. Next tomorrow she go come and say I will never say anything that concern her. I will never this, I will never that, I will not. We go say okay, oh, before they break, before the cock crow. Come be like, where did they call that my way? Where Jesus said, say before cock crow, before the cock we crow 3 times. Baga, bell go ring. Then we come dey talk am like normal until Lolo can't do live video when she dey sew with Von. She can't do live video, and that day I really believe wetin she talk, oh, because not be the day where she dey can't do makeup. I wish na the day where she dey can't do makeup, dey paint, I go talk say she was carried away by her makeup. But that day she come on natural face and she was sewing with Von. You know, na market she dey do, and anybody where they do market, they not they want to lie or 2 days somehow. Anything where they talking like say them in, because now their business tycoon, they watch them for that moment. So when she they do that with Von, now she can't open her mouth by herself, do herself, say agbadavu no tie, say as from today henceforth, may they start to the count and follow them. Who talk am? Mona not reason me, I get am ija. I go na pe yon ne. No seka na so aladian. I not buy bear for na time, and I time I buy the bear. You forget not the, you know the calculate the, you not get calculator. I buy bear for na time. Oh, come and what regbe. So, she come by herself, do herself, say agbadavu no talk and say she want make the storm over. That she know and she get that 100% assurance say Monica not go fit do without a topic. Monica must dey raise a topic. So if una think say na lie, we dey lie. Oh, I'm on live video, darling. I'm on live video. So if people think say na lie, she dey lie. Make person come out, make they come ring bell, and make they come start to the calm down. Make they come start to the calm down. Say make they give them 2 weeks. Nedotia Uzoleva na Lolo talk now. He say Monica na her video, na her topic, na Monica take the chop. And una still know say our Monica, una Monica. He still they talk and say na amata na Lolo take the chop. Una know say she talk am. Say na mata Lolo still take the chop. This one go say na my mata you take the chop. The other one go say na my mata you take the chop. So right na Lolo come by herself, do herself. Hey, oh. Ugbede kan avocado. No avocado, oh. No avocado. Let me not to bragabas. Okay now. Then I'm on live video, girl. Hello, babe. Hello, babe.
Hope so no call you too late, so you never sleep.
No, I did live video. Okay, if I drop or I'll call you early in the morning tomorrow if you don't sleep. Now urgent thing, you feel leave am for message for me, I see. You still call the service people. Ah, okay, no problem then. It's fine. It's okay. But just text me the thing, okay? They do some announcement. I think you know people wey they call Lolo and Monica now. Well, the unshakable people. So come join the announcement. The storm is about to over for all that problem wey we dey get for Nigeria. So I know say you be another country person, but come join. Okay, mommy. Okay, you dey drive. All right. Okay, no problem, mommy. I'll try to read your text, then I will solve. All right. Okay then. All right, sweetie. No vessel. That's my friend there. Okay. Who get people wey no Mona no dey buyer. They not dey use that one do am o. So Mona, sorry for the interruption for my friend that call. When Blessy they do the analyzing for YouTube just now, me just see as Blessy just put the video where Lolo talk and say, Mona give us 2 weeks. Mona give us 2 weeks. Whether Monica go fit stay with her till not talk my matter. Mona not reason me on a share to I wear. He get a zip where the way quiet bolo. Now Monica not go fit do without my matter. Mona give us 2 weeks. For my mind, I don't dey talk and say, how go come help them count all this thing? Before I know, Blessy say, he go count out if only Monica go agree, say he go do. Because right now, that one had already talking, meaning that she's ready to do it. She only need people that will keep an eye to be watching. That is what she needs. She's ready. Then, Blessy come they say, I would have loved to put an eye to be counting, but whether Monica go agree, we don't know. Before we say Jack, the Robinson never follow her. Monica don't by herself, do herself again. Put and say, I chest her. Hey, God, yeah. This my time, get it be. Now so Monica by herself, right hand, with his name, Monica Lobo, I know na TV. He put and say, I go chest her, let the camp start tomorrow. Tomorrow we have your money is starting. Going. Mona not the insult for here. But why are ten why na of here even like be? Mona not the insult anybody for here. But we are ten na. Eri agele wa riot va here we election. October 1st ni be wa mo maizi to get an independent. Another second independent. Here bo awa bo ya continue carry on go. We are about to get another Facebook independent. On the 1st of October, Nigeria got an independent. Tomorrow is making it 61 years. If I'm not making mistake, 1960, 2021. 2020, 60. Now, 61 years. Tomorrow is going to make it 61 years. And also, tomorrow is going to make what a day. What a beautiful, remarkable day we can just write. In short, this day go come out for question. Edo people, as from tomorrow, Mona they put down for question paper. What was the day the counting of freedom started from Monica and Lolo? A, 1st of October. B, 2nd of September. C, on the 29th of December. Any Bini Pikin. Wey not pass this exam. Emineru wa biju wa gure sagana kedere ado wa adoranto emaketi. As an Edo state, all the school need to get this thing for exam paper. As Edo state school, government school, all the old students, all the old government school and private school, as long as that school is built in Edo state, as long as that school is built there, this question need to come out of the exam hall. Which day did the bear start ringing for the freedom of two best friends went wrong. Hey, Oktoberfest. It go confuse the student because Oktoberfest can't still be Nigeria independent. B, September 29. D, January 1st. If you wanna fail, if una children fail this exam, the reason why una dey watch the saga for so many years, una can't tell ODL our daily life. This is our daily life. If any of una children fail this exam, and they go still put am. Who was the person that rang a bit that ring that make that blow the trumpet? Hey, Kate. B, Lolo. C, Monica. D, Nami carry the bell. Who was the person that also say it and say Agbadabunu to say it by herself first? Say, make them start to the countdown. They go still put am for question mark say, who was the person that say Agbadabunu and say that they should start counting it? They should ask both of them to do this relay marching. Relay journey, to embark on a journey. Who was the person that asked for them to embark on a 2 week journey, 14 days? Lolo, you have it. There is something fishing in your spiritual realm because you are asking for 14 days, which is 2 weeks. That Lolo, I feel they talk and say, Baboni, Wamubomuni, Etowabe, Baboni, every before, all every before 14 days. You know all these spiritual people, with the value 3 days, with the value 7 days, with the value 14 days, with the value 21 days, then we can't go the value 40 days again. 7 days, no, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, 40 days. My value egbe. So, Lolo di Lolo, we know now. So she said, I'm so happy. She not too stressed, huh? Based on who she be, she not want to take 3 days. It's too low and local for her liking. I know say she be the intelligent, and the lady that don't analyze with a dull language. As an international motivational speaker, she can't go for something that is too low. And if she go for something that is too high, it will be too high for we that is an illiterate. And I don't say illiterate. Now they always. So if she go for the number that is too high, it will be too hard for us to count as an illiterate the way she always call us. So that is why she want to dance to our tune and like put it in 2 weeks, you know. And I believe that 2 weeks is also good because it's fair enough for everybody. One neighbor. So. Lolo, I say a big thank you for that. Because otherwise, if you put her for 21 days, I go lost counting. I cannot figure and kill myself for a winner, you know. Thank you for not putting it for 7 days. Would that probably that day will be the day I will clean my house. But because I just cleaned my house this past Saturday, so another 1 week again, I not go do the general, now just toilet and bathroom. Then the following one, may do where nagba, because now that day me go do the general cleaning again. And you understand, every two weeks, 2 times in a month, now they do general cleaning. As I do one for this past Saturday, I don't need to do one again. Now that your day, that day when me want to do the general, now I go no say Ogbane or blessing, let's go there. All right. So today can be Thursday. We go give una the grace till weekend. Before we will come count the card, the vote, everything. We will come call the result for weekend. That Thursday now, we not go fit count down. Starting from tomorrow, 14 days I believe is going to end. Tomorrow is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think she said for 2 weeks, Abi. Now 2 weeks she talk, Nabi. Blessing, I made the mistake. Not be 2 weeks she talk. Mona right hand there. She said for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks. Thank God I'm still around. Now 1 week. No, just fine. You did that YouTube just now. Why do I go you? Kate is. Oh, wow, man. Now 1 week. Maybe one even overtake her. Kate, when my honest on have for. I have it your way. Anyway. Yeah, I tell you, all up bad. Hey, 1 week. Now 1 week, di lolo. Why you choose 1 week before you call inform your son, oga? Before you call inform them, Monica not dey inform all those one, and then they inform Monica. Now they go inform Monica. Yeah, wire messages so gioni. Now then they inform that where you can anyway. God dey on our side. The Lord is your strength. 1 week. Oh my good. He shook. 1 week on our questions. Hello, by saying you go back on combination. He shook. Near go back go na big 1 week. Need your boy die. Hey, big 1 week. You know. He shook. Say go back on more. Blessing. That's in 1 week. Now I just stop in it, but no, nevertheless. So guys, I'm not going to overstretch this video. I just come around to announce to you. I missed the date anyway. It was for 7 days. All right, for 1 week. She said 1 week. Because now person sent me the video like, pa. And as I just reached there, now they see that talk. Somebody just sent out to me for my WhatsApp. Say, Kate, you did there. Come YouTube, bless you. Come YouTube. As I read there, as I just see the thing and I say, okay, now I just type. I will ring the bell. All right. So they say now 1 week, oh, GPC, Mona go title na bets. GPC, go and tight your bets very well. Nah, I feel trust you now. Organic farms, go and tight your bet very well, because right now your mothers are about to embark on a journey that they are going to bring anybody that find a white calabash, bring it to blessing. We don't need any other calabash, a calabash that there is a lot of calories, a calabash. If me go my way at naika, hey, we don't artisan. We shall finish. Now, Igbo movie we can't the art. Hey, we a lot of why I think my Johnny now. Bueno, now two na say. They don't now. Lolo saying Monica now. He say me they are two embark on a journey. Oh, Lolo by a man talk and say Monica, let us embark on a journey for 1 week. 1 week. Let us go and bring the calabash from the evil forest and see who is going to look back. Wawagbu, who you know. No, I get that leaf. Imagine ya freezer me. Imo enwa na gbe you know. Wagbi who you know. Make una go put that thing if una want measure. If Monica want measure Lola go say If Lola want measure, you know the two measure in the get away the measure. You still say two me abi boo you kun. I dey give una exponent. If somebody is embarking on a journey, a far journey miles away in an evil forest, you need to put a one. You know, this is not funny, oh, because all of us go gather beat anybody where he lose. All of us go gather pan beat any. This is not funny. Blessing is counting. Do you think a woman with that many children, he go just can't leave everything that she's doing, following you to Instagram, following you to WhatsApp, following you to Facebook, following you to YouTube, follow to Twitter, everywhere. At the end of the day, we not say, Blessing, mind your business, oh. Kate, I dey want una now. Make una men una business, so now my own idea. You not there your own, my dear. Una not there una own. We don't volunteer to day una day. We want day una day. Me everywhere get peace. Oh na magwalo. Mona go dey tag people. Mona, I'm not. This is not funny for real. This is not funny, eh? Blessing just did a video on YouTube and analyzed Lolo when she was saying that she and Monica have to embark on a journey. Let's see who is going to mention anybody's name on live video for 1 week. She was the one that demanded for this. She was the one that asked for this. She said, let us see who is going to call somebody's name on live video. Because she said Monica cannot do without her name. Because Monica is feeding with her name. You know, and we have been hearing it also from Monica since. And Monica say, she not go fit do without me. Make she dey measure around una dey here. So they are two they talking. Right now, she can't say na lie. Make they are two embark on a journey of 1 week. Within 1 week, make they see who go fit talk person matter. Who go fit, make they just bring topic. Make they not fight any other person. Why? Not come put this annoyance. Come back, come on for... Maybe Monica go come back, come on for Lolo place now. Now you go come to say one reply, one person, or you want reply Vera. Inya we, ubado mwe, bedi mo bobe na rotan, ubado awe re. No ma do hin no mukmedi, no imwe yo mwere. For this 1 week, may any of una, may they not battle say you go put that annoyance on that person body. Or you don't come out, you don't go put the annoyance, or maybe Lolo na go come say, Kate, you got bo egbe. Hey, na so person, hey, the verse or to come, hey, na so Sarah can't they insult me. Hey, not just mind anybody for now. After the day done over, after na don't come back from the land of Zamuza, una fit can reply to anybody where your friend una. For now, make people for not to say you come back put the annoyance on their body. Go to the land of Zamuza and bring the calabash with full of cowries. The cowries of peace. Cowries of good word. Cowries of happiness. The cowries wanna come up for social media, go dump for the land of Zamuza. You guys have to go on a journey for 1 week, 7 days journey. And bring it. You see, and I felt talk 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, 40 days. We're not using and play. You guys now, the calories of happiness, the calories of talky, insulting people, tear burning on summer, all those calories that you people have packed from social media and dump in the land of Zamuza. You guys should go and bring it back. And let it be. If you see the brown calabash, no carry o. I know, say son. Omave lolo. Imagine okay, ya says okay, Same. Or you walk here with Katie with calabash. Anyone way jump for road go, you're carrying. I know, say your mama, you lost your mama. Monica, you still lost your mama. Your papa, you very well, or you ever to very well. So na papa go want do na favor now. Go they put different calabash for road wait for now. Kate say no go carry the one for Zamuza forest with a white cowries inside. No be say you go George there, you go say na your grandmama na put am. Your grandmama go say la we may nama. This is the calabash that they are asking you to bring. Munuga akia. Na lie, if it be say na Kate, go turn to your grandmama for there. If it be say na Kate at the end, you go come carry is not there inside, not carry o. Emwe no ko onuro, emwe no radise never no ruwe. Maybe Monica, you see they go, you see Jamie mama. Awa here, wherever no Nigeria Monica. Oh, here you na soja. Igwa, gwa. Hey, I buy here. Gwa. No say as Lolo they get pose in the hill na go they get pose before you name mama go your come. Enough e kukuma like stress. He go say, oh, I too over love you. Oh, I love you, mommy. No say, here you go at you, no we say niya. I love you, mommy. I know you will never leave me alone. Now, like, if he be saying now one presenter will not like you, or now one of your member go turn to die your grandmama for there. No, not put the journey for next week. Huh? Who are you to put? When the whole Lolo by itself say me the start time now, as they hot, I made the let and count. Tomorrow is October 1st. Let us celebrate everything together. That one na two sister wey dey fight. This one na best friend wey went wrong, wey something not come rest. No go there get post carry the one. You don't know whether na person talk to that calabash. As I dey talk now, you don't know whether na temptation. May you come back on the insult. Keto Abba say the counter say, hey, you don't leave Monica issue. Not talk. He go counter say, una see say I talk to Monica for 1 week. Not be me I get the fight since. No, after all the 1 week, no problem. You can't reply me, no problem. Then Monica go just see the waka. Go, ma, go, go, ma, go, go, ma, go, go. You just see Jai mama. Tony, how you veji je me marry because in social media don't overtake her well. Oma ha ma yo dere menu ya hubo no se mi enu gume ya mo mi ni amu because oni value champion gbe eye champion go wa ko. That talk wey mama wan tell her so we me Mona eta mama ya to bo me discover I will discover the calabash by myself. Monica, yeri or no matter you because he like champion that the leader. Okay, mommy, again. She me a baby because baby won't even not. Oh, only wabi o ma bi ho no we me boy si ono na o je la o de yo yimi me de mala. Bless you, sorry, I know say you not tell me make I can't laugh for this live video, but I have to laugh small because I know money carries like that. Even now, Bruce with money inside has not very say I call your name just like that because we know the quarter now. You know, you senior me by age. I know say if that one go that bush. Now I say carry this, I go say, hey, go ask, go take care of this. And I'm maybe told me if so me. All right now. Before you know Monica don't work up. Go. Mostly that canvas will not tell laugh. Oh, walk by me, Johnny no here. That canvas will not tell laugh. Oh, we bad on I give me. Yeah, with testimony you want. Marcia, tomorrow night, Monica will go wear that canvas, go wear different sauce. All the way picture post a lot almost to me at oh my God, oh, my mommy go at the sauce on him, and we are back on the journey. You see, Anna, Monica will come out now tomorrow, come the back on €1. Voila. Whether na €1, you know man. Whether na $2, your John come out. I'm not telling her say na more. I mean they go forget that Johnny the day. You know no say Monica the 10th time. Lolo, I'm advising you now. We joke. Now that they advise you say that Monica, she be happier. She can tempt you temptable. You know say you now. You not gonna know what to be temptation. You not gonna know it. Everything you go there for put. Girls are over. I'm on the man with the warrior said, yeah. And I am near temptation. And I am near temptation. I know Monica is like that. Before they break now, Monica will go wear tear shirt. He go raise me up. Monica will wear shirt to a tear for her pit. He go say, my people that don't send us Johnny, oh. My people that don't send us on Johnny, oh. I tell you, I give a before you know, Lolo go your sing, go your call that video. Ooh, your shirt here. Anyway, man winning eh. In winning, I'm either that bubble. Blessing all verse they use me. I dey try in as much say no say once a friend is always a friend. In as much say we were never friends. I dey advise her because she not they know when to be temptation. She don't know where person the solo person. She not they know, but she just they want do or do. And Monica now she get all the 30s. Monica na person wey get all the 30s. If you want make she fall, na. You know two best friend wey don fair waka. One dey study, one pass one. Two best friend, two good friend wey don really waka together. The one go dey study one go know one wiki point pass. Based on the other one, a friend of benefit. Give me. Not go even get time to dey study you, to know wetin you really hate, wetin you really like, wetin you not like. Now, as long as I need it, give it to me. You are good to go. What's there? Why the other one go they study you? Go they give you. Go they study. Go they look you. So you know when to capture. You know when to get you. This is just a piece of advice. I know Monica. She can just wear one shirt tomorrow. Come live video say, "Yeah, we buy Johnny, land of Mazaguda, land of my people. Oh, what temu uvu wariye." He give me people go they say, "My lady, drop your handpit." Okay, about here the comment about fear for. They don't carry us for Johnny. We go see they'll say, "My lady, drop your handpit." We go see this Johnny where would they go so me no say me strong nah. My lady, drop. Okay, I take comment to work because when you know. No okay, hey, I tell you now, see share don't they tell we never come up for us. We never come up for us. Share don't they not see happy. Make you can see happy that year. You no go know say those things are strategies. That one go say I don't win. We go you ring the bell like this. You have won because you can't stay. Una just they start journey. You just they come bully again. And that shoe, Monica go your wear and go big. I go your see snapper. Make una can see your mom hungry pee. Avasi J. Uzo biamo banagati agare no uzo. Uzo biama banagati agare no uzo. So blessing, I so much appreciate you. So far so good for all your good work. Because say you not be Benin person, I make people they value and respecting you like this. So I will say you are a Benin person. Nobody will have even take you serious before you know your mother, your father, your children, your sisters and brothers would have already been on this social meeting. But because you are not from Benin, that is why people are respecting, and because of the English you are speaking. It's a general language that when you spoke it, it go viral. We are born and brought up inside those states. Even if the English is not correcting, we still have a way of belaying it and putting Benin in the middle. So a lot of people will get confused and walk away because they cannot understand us and flow fully to the end of the video. So that is it, blessing. I really appreciate you for the video you did this evening. And 9K told you I volunteer with all my full berry to announce to the world that they are going to embark on a journey starting from tomorrow till on the 8th of October. On the 1st of October till on the 8th of October. So blessing go come read the results, maybe 9 or 10. But then we go see the announcer because as soon as everybody does sleep, and people want to share the video. And if you are a presenter, please announce it more. If you ebu iso anywhere in na we so when we are one ugele ya we so come and spread it to the people. Image one we kita na gege soon, but if really you guys know and trust where you are coming from, where we last, this is the time you guys should prove yourself. Now you guys are talking. At least I wish now demand for that thing now. Maybe Lolo go for talk say he know they do. Maybe Lolo go talk say she know they do. Who are he? Who are he to now be telling me what to do? You illiterate people that did not went to school, that cannot fit write. You illiterate that cannot fit read. How can you come and be ushering me around and telling me one thing? Thank God now, it is not your people that have said that word. It is our educated motivational speaker, Mrs. Lolo Alari. Agwibe nani ani ni me ya gwan si me be tie bo no bia wo ho a wagmon yo. Why I take the toss I don't cause person not be ademido na bi, because I know want me bless the sack me for this work. I know want me bless the sack me emi gboyin ma be emi Calabar the amata no good to, but I know want me bless the sack me na me now I don't want insult this one, I don't want insult this one. I don't look talk the way it be. I know want me bless the sack me say Kate you not ring the bell well. I want collect my pass mark well. So this is the bell. Starting from tomorrow, let's start. The counting starts from 12 o'clock. Who is going to be using somebody to be doing saga on their platform first? That person is a loser. That person don't have topic. That person don't have work. That person is a motivational speaker. That person is now that person math now go long. All the course where they cause one, they go competent for the other one head as from tomorrow. Because that is what Lolo say. No, for that Infinity, for blessing job video for YouTube, Monica by herself talk and say she is fully in. She say she agree. I trust her. Money not be a problem. Believe I they see the which money not be a problem. You understand? Not beside they come present. No, on my ego a problem or you go still know, you still tell. Okay? Money not be a problem. We know people where they hungry. Just that waiting I know say she's not working. Probably maybe her husband is working, but she's not working. Okay? But money is not their problem. Okay? So she now don't agree say she not they use Lolo te they chop. She not they use Lolo matate they make money. She can be doing her thing. With that, she don't even call Lolo. She go still they see her money constantly. And Lolo say na lie. Lolo say if she talk say na lie, now she they talk. Make their two come and back on a journey. Make they go bring the calabash of happiness on social media. So now she can't write down by herself say, I am in this game. I can chest it. She can't even put many thumbs up. Talk and say, yes, my blessing. I'm here. I can do it. I was so surprised that she even come out by herself. That already, I don't give kudos for her. It's not easy for person like her to just come out like that. Not be say person like her say she too much. You know, most of the time, these people don't want people to know that they are watching you. You understand? They don't want to say you they watch that they watch you. They want to do like. But she bring herself out to the open. Say, I dey here. I am watching. I am here. So she was the one that fully said she will embark on the journey. No problem. Let the count start from tomorrow. Now she even write down. Say let the count start from tomorrow. Una they try for taking a case on people. Tana. So we no want argue there too. We no want argue whether Lolo get matter, whether she not get matter, or whether they. We no want argue. Let them now embark on this journey for 1 week. 1 week until blessing read the result. Even if the 1 week complete, until blessing read the result. And not be said they're going back on the journey. They know they do video. They need to be doing their video the way they are doing it before, because you not go fit tell me say you dey fast. May you go lie down for inside bed, they sleep. Morning till night. You can't go wake up around 9 in the evening. Can't go brush. Can't talk say na fast you fast. Is a lie. You are sleeping. Many people now so they take the city. I said, oh, they fast or go they sleep. If you they fast, you need to they walk. Now that one we take they know they fast and pray. You need to they walk. Some people go they fast, they go they look time. Oh, about one wabe to since I love. Oh, you are putting intention in your body. That fasting, not be fasting. Not be say you go embark on the journey. Not be say you go embark on a journey. you go back, go lie down, or you come start say, I'm on vacation. No. Children are going to school. Nobody is on vacation. Let your live video still be constant. And not use parable. Don't use parable in your live video. We no want use parable. We no want use this one. Not if you any of una two still come out, come cause who ring bell for this matter. That cause go back because now two, now he call us, now we enter. You thought say make una put us on a journey for 1 week. The other one come and say he go chest and no problem. May we start to the ring gun. Who go fit chest and follow na? I bless say he go dey watch, but he need somebody wey go still go announce am for people. Na me as ODL our daily life very umai. I gbene na na ODL our daily life talk show. Wetin dey go on? Now I run come out. ODL I will chest it. Let me come and ring the bell. Bang, bang, bang. Tomorrow is 1st of October, and tomorrow is an independence to Nigeria, and tomorrow we are about to embark on a journey on an Independence Day for also the social media side, for us to have peace in all the calamity, in all the taboo, in all the go that has been going on social media. Tomorrow, we are sending 2 people to embark on a journey to go and bring the calabash with calories of happiness, of good news, peace of mind to social media. So we give them 1 week to do that for us, and then we are going to watch and be seeing how many people they go get. Because Lolo say if she dey do a normal live video without Monica topic, she say she get viewer pass Monica. Monica say na lie, na she get viewer pass. So now we go know who really get viewer pass. So una people embark on a journey. Now we go know sabi conjure. Mona dey conjure now. Now we go know if una like Mona go use 100 fake account they watch. I want tell una one secret about live video Facebook. If you dey watch Facebook, you can't use 2 or 3 put yourself. Na person still tell me I don't know. Your view go reduce. I dey give una the expo now. Your view go down. You need to just let it be. Rest. Other people go they watch you. If you like, go create 100 fake account. Call your village people. Make them join you. The counting continue. No. That one, no. You not go fit come out. Man, nobody matter concern anybody. May they not even get distracted. Now they go even get more distracted past. They're not supposed. So I'm not going to allow this video to be too long. So guys, I'm going to let it be for now so that people can rewatch or people can also make the announcement more and more and more and more. Now, not now at all. We have a lot of issues at hand. Water! Mona see me see Cassie Black. Now you want to talk, huh? The village are into calamities. For the past how many days, rain never fall for this village. All the crops in the farms are dying. All our harvests are dying. The ground, the soil is very strong. We cannot cultivate, we cannot harvest. And right now, they ask us to send 2 virgins to the land of Madagusa to go and bring a calabash of wet, a calabash that will make the rain to fall. And you are telling us that not now, you don't want rain to fall. Who are you? Are you sure you are from our village? Are you from our village? This will not be my village person. You are not my village person, because if you are my village person, you will tell me how you was feeding. Which land do you go and cultivate? Where do you cultivate and eat that your yam, that 2 bags of yam that you are eating? You are not from my village. You are not. Oh. We are telling you that the village is in the calamity. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Let their 2 embark on it. Blessing will be doing the counting. I will be ringing the bell. You not get work to do. Don't worry. You not get work to do. These 4 people where the thing concern, we go, they do our work, they go. Blessing go, they count the view, they jot them down. Your work before now to they tell Blessing, say, they Instagram, they YouTube. I believe our lovely sisters and brothers, all of them, they will help us. People we want peace, me, they social media. They go help us, they allow Blessing. Yeah, Kilova, we need to talk meeting in 30 minutes. Hey, wait. Go on, permission to go on. Nothing do now. Go on, Mona go discuss. Oh yeah. Mona go de conjure. Hello, agalo. Hello, why ye? Hello, agalo. Ebe logo, ijara we me jara we ni. Uwa ajore o. No vi aze boso. Una ve oni e va ve joni e ve reve joni na. Waya do babi here yo to. The wishes are we sad. I've ever live when I not feel laugh. I can't laugh. We get to. I don't know we get you stick. It's also good. It's good. I will bring the cola nuts. Any the cola nut have you now. I will bring the cola nuts. Yes, oh, that person not be our village person at all. We are about our village is in calamity. Our village is in doom. The crops are not growing well. We cannot cultivate. The soil is too hard. We cannot. Akevu guy oye gang. Asierin guy si ore. Sote, somebody die in this issue. Ija. So we don't want anybody to die again. We want both of them to embark on the land of Zamuza and bring the calabash. White cowries is inside. Cowries of peace, cowries of happiness. Let them go and bring it for 1 week. And please, if you know you are their followers, their fans, embark on a journey with them by doing a meeting before they come. They control. Whenever you see it, just be there with them. Now can't, now viewer, we want can't. Now viewer mawa can't. Let's see if you are doing your topic, how many they watch you. Let's see that one they do a topic, how many they watch on. Now two agree. So my people, I'm going to bed right now. I have done my job. Wait till they send me, I don't do one. I don't announce. Yahweh one of Sheshege. We need to reset. Thank you guys. So let them go and bring it so we can do the cleansing of the land. Let them go and bring the calabash. We need to do the cleansing of this land. It's too much. At least, no. Thank you. God bless you. Not I'm a normal. Go. Not I'm a normal. Infinity. Your work don't start to. Oh, now gather them. Some of them to your meeting right now. Organic. Some of them. Oh, bye. Leader Odoi. Some of them are do meeting. You guys, it starts tomorrow, October 1st. October 1st. What a wonderful moment. What a remarkable day that will come out in the exam hall. A day that they will write for exam. October 1st. Hey, God. I too go love all of myself. Hey. Thank you, guys. God bless you. God forbid. You are just coming in, Osas. You are just coming in. Look at you. You are just coming in. Okay. Blessing not enter any cage. Bless where they analyze. Bless where they analyze. You not even know what they happen. They analyze something, say, make person go tell them, make they go and back on it. You are just Daniel Blood, just all of them know what they do. They know say I not there any cage. God forbid. Like seriously, is anybody feeding me? I'm just Yahweh weighing. Alright. You not get choice. We want to know yata mo boring yen magba mi. Okoko want to know yata wi yen magba mi. Osas will be this. I'll delete you. I own a PC like social media. I'm with problem of it. Who get cage? God forbid batting. Who get cage? Because say I can't announce. You know one piece. Me one piece. You want me that they fight everybody now and then. You know one piece. I not cause this one. I not cause this one because not be saga they do. Now only announce. I can't announce. They pity for yourself there because you know one piece. People are about to embark on a journey. You are saying, okay, as they come send me say, as I can't come out, come announce. I suppose cause the husband or cause the other one husband be. I suppose cause the husband. I made the contact say because they don't cause us, we know they go the journey again. Ni ami mi muna wa. Osas, get beside me. Thank you. Nana, that issue go still go on. So far, they are not talking to themselves. Naina. You know what I mean? No, please. That one na another thing. Okay, this osas no understand. They say you know what I mean, Papa Wala matter come on for face. No, this one, they don't even talk about DNA. They not talk about Papa. They only talk say, if this one not talk this one matter, you know they see money, you know they see viewer. The other one comes to talk say, if you not talk my matter, you know they see money, you know they see viewer. Now wait till they talk. Now the money and the viewer. Now they talk. Then later, if you look at lately now, Lolo no dey talk about that man again. I don't want to mention in it this night. Lolo no dey talk about that man again. He dey always talk about then now those one. Then later anybody wey know say they be their family, they can go and summon them. Say oh yeah, o make una come because we don't have a live video now every day by day. You no go get where go and carry you go. Inya we bomb we no can bomb we no can So now that one where they are two go still they using direct. This one where sauce way not good. They'll come take the picture carry come out. If this one where shoe way bend, they'll take the picture carry come out. If this one where cloth way tear. Now all those small talk. If not be me, not go get you. If not be my talk. Now all those one we want. All the rest, it not concern us. Later the fee go settle themselves. We now understand. We not dead there. Iye you mighty settle when the dad already here boy see me. That one not be our problem. But let me leave you guys. We have paid show tomorrow. No problem. Everything go still go on. But make them not talk about each other. I trust. Not be say they say I trust them because say I dey cage or God. I can never be in anybody's cage this night. I reject it. Now they go rather dey my cage. I'm only saying that they can cope. It be like say Monica don't first skip one page show. He don't first skip am because something I remember one night he skip one page so say you know they do again. He want come do one for public. That time of us still fire say Mona not go watch. How na go watch? Hey, he skip one. He not do one again. So this one will not be another new thing. He go still skip one. If na Lolo matter, he go skip one. If not be Lolo matter, make he do one. No problem. If not be Lolo matter, make it do one. If na Lolo matter, I know because na she right hand say I can chest anything. It's na she right hand. While I be like who they celebrate. No. God forbid. We will never celebrate anybody way down. No. There is time for everything. Rejoice with those that are rejoicing. Mourn with those that are mourning. We can never be like Yuri that said it's a happy moment. God forbid. I reject them. Okay, to boy. Why you they answer those people now? Okay. I just tire. They come. All right, guys. Thank you. God bless you. Let me go and do the thing I'm supposed to do, man. Bye. If you hate me for this matter, I like you. If you like me, I love you. If you love me, I carry all my body for now. See, because of the love where again, I make me carry my body. Say I'll come ring the bell, and I don't ring down. Nothing they happen. Bye, guys.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully